choice is difficult. One can ruin your life. Another can leave you questioning yourself. However, we are pursued by choice. A time will come when we must make choices for work. A time will come when we must make choices for our family. And even a time when we must choose the cup of coffee we drink. We were born into a world of constant choice. The choices we make shape our passion, our kindness, and our freedom. Choice changes us. Your choice must be your own.